Kumusta guys? Samahan niyo ako muli mag-react sa banda Mission Souls. 5 AM in the morning pa lang dito guys. Pero magre-react na tayo. Dahil na-excite ako mag-reaction muli dito sa ating channel. Ayan, napili natin itong cover song ng banda Mission Souls. Yung What I Want From Me. Ayan, wag na natin pagtagalin pa. Sama-sama tayo manood, makinig at mag-react. Nakakatuwa naman si Ice yung nagbabackup dito. Yung sa mixing. Ayan, kung makikita nyo guys sa maliit na screen. Si Ice. Second voice.
Yeah. What do you want from me?
Clean tone yung tunog ng gitara ni Nisha dito. Sa umpisa.
There might have been a time when I would give myself away. Oh, once upon a time I didn't give up, but now here we are. So what do you want from me? What do you want from me?
Nakakatuwa lang sa banda Mission Souls. Ang dami nilang pondong kanta. Parang hindi sila naubusan ano. Nang kakantahin.
Just don't give up. I'm working it out. Please don't give in. I won't let you down. It messed me up. Need a second to breathe. Just keep coming around. Hey, what do you
Yung isang kanta kaya, paano kaya nila sinisipra, no? Maabot ba ng isang araw o baka oras lang yung kanilang pagsipra dito?
What do you want from me? What do you want from me? Yeah, it's plain to see that baby you're beautiful, and there's nothing wrong with you. It's me.
Ayun, no? Sa malit na screen naman si Nisha naman yung nag-backup kay Mami Sheena. Siya naman yung second voice.
I'm a freak, but thanks for loving me, 'cause you're doing it perfectly. Yeah, there might have been.
Ang galing talaga sa mixing ni Daddy Sekan, ano? Talagang professional na professional yung kanilang quality pagdating sa recording. Napakalupit na mix engineer ni Daddy Sekan.
A time when I would let you slip away. I wouldn't even try, but I think you could save my life. Just don't give up. I'm working it out. Please don't give in.
Ayan, gumamit na ng distortion si Nisha. Bumigat na yung tugtugan nila.
I won't let you down. It messed me up. Need a second to breathe. Just keep coming around.
Ayan, nagbabackup din pala si Naces.
Hey, what do you want from me? 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 What do you want from me?
Ayun, no? Ang adlib pala dito si Naces. Gamit yung kanyang keyboard. Ganda nung keyboard niya. Juno.
Just don't give up on me.
Juno Roland. Lupit, no? Lupit ng gamit na keyboard ni Naces. Pang-professional.
I won't let you down. No, I won't let you down. So just don't give up. I'm working it out. Please don't give in. I won't let you down. It messed me up.
Bumibirit si Mami Sheena. Naririnig niyo guys. Taas ng boses.
Need a second second to breathe. Just keep coming around. Hey, what do you want from me? Don't give up. I'm working it out. Please don't give in. I won't let you down. It messed me up. Need a second to breathe.
Grabe talaga tong pamilyan to. Napaka-talented talaga. Lahat sila kumakanta, tumutugtog. And si Mami Sheena, meron din siyang hawak na tamborin. Hindi ko lang alam guys kung nakakatugtog din ng instrumento to si Mami Sheena. Gitara o keyboard. And sana minsan makita natin siyang tumutugtog.
Just keep coming around. Hey, what do you want from me? 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 What do you
Napanood ko na pala siya minsan guys na nag-keyboard sa sa keyboard siya nakapwesto habang kumakanta. Hindi ko lang matandaan kung anong kanta yon. Ayan, i-comment nyo lang guys sa ating comment section sa mga nakakaalam.
What do you want from me?
Grabe, napakalupit na cover song mula sa bandang Mission Souls. Kaya ano pang hinihintay nyo guys? Alam nyo na yan, mag-subscribe na kayo sa kanilang channel. Nandiyan po sa ating description. Suportahan nyo at panoorin nyo kanilang mga cover song na napakagaganda. At sa mga hindi pa rin nakasubscribe sa ating channel, mag-subscribe na kayo para ma-notify kayo sa mga susunod pa nating content. Maraming salamat sa inyong panonood.
Looking in your eyes, I see a paradise. This world that I found is too good to be true. Stay and build this dream together. Standing strong forever. Nothing's gonna stop us now. And if this world runs out of lovers, we'll still have each other. Nothing's gonna stop us. Nothing's gonna stop us now.